Before Ekta ji can leave the dais, I request Shruti Raghavendran to please come on stage and felicitate Ekta ji with a very small token of appreciation from BMT. A big round of applause here. Thank you so much, Ekta ji. It was a wonderful time with you here. Please stay on to the very end. Thank you so much. Move on with the program. I would like to call upon Biju Nayak also on the dais. Thank you so much, Biju, and thank you so much, Luna, for being here with us tonight. I would like to know how you're liking the show so far.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening, music lovers and this wonderful team of musicians, singers, and I would call them a wonderful team of artists from Bangalore. And it has been quite a drive, quite a long distance, but we wanted to make it. Myself and Luna had made a plan that we should be attending this wonderful group of like-minded music lovers, and it has been a great journey. And last 4-5 songs, what we could hear. It is a very good start, I could see, and the passion has to be, kept on like this, and I'm always there with you for anything, and it's going to be wonderful for you. Absolutely. And myself and Luna, we run this company called Antargiri, and we keep coming up with wonderful shows in Bangalore and outside, and we are on the way to Switzerland in the coming month with a team of musicians and singers from here. So hopefully we'll be having a lot of musical stage shows with all of you guys very, very soon, and I would like Luna to add something to this.
Very, very good evening, everyone, and thank you BMT for inviting us, and thank you to Mrs. Lata Jagdiani, who has been the founder of the group, right? And I don't know which month it was, but Lata ji and Manik ji was attending our show. And right after our show, which was the Kings of Rhythm, right? The Kings of Rhythm, they got exposed to the wonderful talents that were singing in our shows. And that's where they formed this group, and today, I think Mr. Edward, Mr. Syed Ashad, and Shruti, and Ekta, and you all has made it so big, and when we walked in today, we felt that small group has become like a beautiful family. And it really felt very nice to come and be a part of this. So let us enjoy the rest of the evening without talking much, and thank you very much, and you are doing a great job, ma'am. Thank you very much.
I would like to invite Shruti to hand over a bouquet for Ms. Luna. Edward. And Pataki Shruti. Please come over the stage.
You should never call an RJ and not give her the mic. It's a horrible thing to do. So, guys, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೀರೋ, Edward especially, we both were classmates in Chitrakala Parishad. So, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. And for all, everybody understands Kannada, yeah? No. So thank you so much for inviting me. Just Bruna mentioned that let's not talk too much and that. So alle nandu full BP hingidu full low BP agoytu. But guys, thank you so much for having me here. And lovely old Hindi songs, new Hindi songs, such lovely voices. And namgu ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. But the only problem is you can't expect me to sing well. I've been named Shruti, but unfortunately ಹಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. But for all you singers here, after listening to you, there's only one thing I want to say. कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना Beautiful voice, very nice voice. I think PMT, we should have you guys on radio very soon. You should. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 3 cheers to you guys. Hip hip. ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಯಾರು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಟಿಫನ್ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you so much for having me here, and like all RJs do now ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಭಾಷಣ ಮುಗಿಸಾಯ್ತು, ಸೊ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. Kindly forgive me for that, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Well, ladies and gentlemen, since we have taken this break, I take that opportunity because I won't be able to stay back. First of all, thanks for this wonderful evening, because it's very rarely that singers get to be the audience. So I'm sure Viju is also enjoying this, and I really had a great time listening for a change. Instead of you listening to me, I enjoyed listening to you people. Yes, you all are doing a fantastic job. Now see, we know very well that we have lovely talent in Bangalore, and we definitely want to bring them on stage. When I say we, I mean people like Viju, and now when I have started Ektasha Productions, which you people know that we do some shows to give you some good music. If you people want to be a part of that show, I'm sure Viju will also agree with me that it's been a long journey, a very hard-working journey for us to reach where we are today. I'll not say that I have reached, that pinnacle, but definitely we are trying to do something good in music. It's not an easy journey, so a lot of people keep contacting us that we'll send you the voice sample. We welcome all that, but when we listen to some of you, we really feel that you should get an opportunity, and Viju has already promised. I'm still melting those voices in my mind, and I've liked a couple of you really. In my next show, Vikram Dixit is already signed in, so he'll be singing in my show in December. I look forward to have you all in that show. And one request as an organizer, forget the singer part, you should attend all the shows that happen in Bangalore, because there is a lot of hard work which goes in. Runa has been doing wonderful stage setups, and I personally go only to see the stage shows, stage setup, because I've heard Viju a lot. I've sung with him also, but right now what attracts me is Runa's hard work on stage. So you people, if you have missed out their shows, I'm sure they are coming up one in Jan, if I'm not wrong. You have a show in Jan. And going by the title, I'm sure the stage is going to be set on fire. So I expect all of you to be in the next shows. Mine is on December 14th. They are coming up in Jan. So have a great time. All the best. I will not be here for long. Maybe I'll just leave now because I come from a long way and I'm alone today. So all the best and keep rocking.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ekta ji.